A very good morning. Good morning, everybody. It's good to be with you here. Ashley Reeve, this is the opening bell. Guys, we are officially in a new week of trading, a new month, and obviously we are expecting new moves. A fresh start with a new month, and markets are starting November with a cautious but optimistic tone. So before we get into it, remember, guys, we are discussing opinion in this video. Please do not construe this as advice in any way. So let's get ready to go with today's session, understanding what is happening at the start of the new week, new month. We have something on silver, silver steadying, gold holds flat, the US dollar staying strong, the Aussie dollar's bouncing, the yen is still weak, and we're seeing some of the Australia stocks that's slipping. The US futures is really edging a little bit higher. And from a big picture perspective, we are seeing that the Fed rate outlook and the US data will set the tone this week. We're also looking at improved US China relations. They seem to be lifting market sentiment. But with the US government shutdown delaying key reports, data visibility remains limited. So we want to see what's going to happen with everything that I've just mentioned here, getting the bigger picture. We want to know and see the technical. So let's start it off with the gold price here today. Gold actually stayed near the $4,000 per ounce, pressured by that rate cut hopes, as well as the new US-China trade deal. You can see at this point, if you look at it from a daily perspective, we're currently stuck in a technical zone of consolidation. Now, China also removed the tax break on gold sales. This could lift the prices for local buyers and obviously cool that demand. And the impact of that is weaker safe haven demand and higher consumer costs. This will equate to gold staying under pressure. And so we're seeing it rise now. Really this morning here, we could just stop right there for the day and then pursue the downside later on. This will be dependent on a 4-hour time frame. Later on in the day, if we do break and close above there, that is where we would look to get into gold. All right. I'm seeing some of the guys in there. Jules is here this morning. Peter's here. Bravo's here. Merrill is here. Tusotile is here. All right. That's brilliant. That's brilliant. All right, guys. So gold, we're really stuck right now. We're going to wait for the next 4-hour candle to break the structure. We will then look for a correction. And I know Ash will definitely engage in gold if that's the case. You can see there has been a bit of a high, a higher low. Let's see if the new higher high forms here. If it does not form, guys, we're looking to go back to about 3935. All right. That's on the gold price. Please watch the US 30 here this week as well. Wall Street opened November on a positive note after strong October gains. Obviously, this was led by the tech and tech sector and those easing trade tensions. Investors are now looking at fresh earnings. All right, traders. They're looking at Berkshire Hathaway. They're looking at Palantir. They're looking at AMD. They're looking at Uber, and they're also looking at McDonald's. And the impact of this is it's a solid start to November. If there is a solid start to November, this could extend the market's winning streak. So these earnings need to stay strong for that regard. But we're tracking the US 30 on a 1-hour time frame. And you can see at this point in time, we have started very strong this morning. We are correcting right now. We're going to have to wait now. All right. Next 4-hour candle. If we are closing beneath, then we're looking to extend for one more push to the downside. We will get there. And if the 4-hour extends to the upside, we're looking to push in very strong at the start of the new week. Also watch the USD JPY, guys. We know that the yen is weak. It remains around the $154 as you can see. We're watching this on a 1-hour time frame. For all the guys trading your traditional FX, we do know that the Bank of Japan kept those rates unchanged last week, and they actually gave no clear signal for December. This is disappointing the markets, all right? So the impact of this, guys, a weak yen helps those exports or the exporters, but it adds pressure on imports costs in Japan. So we're waiting to see what's happening. You can see at the start of this fresh new week, new month, we are in consolidation phase. We need to move away from it to get some direction. But if you look at the higher time frames, it is bullish. We have highs, higher highs, higher highs, and we're seeing that upward structure remaining strong with the dollar coming in. Okay. Now, the dollar itself, guys, is sitting around 99.8 on the index. It's the highest in 3 months. Investors are watching those key US data for the week, the ADP jobs, as well as the ISM for clues on the economy. And the impact there, guys, is that obviously a stronger dollar keeps pressure on commodities like gold and silver. So we are waiting to see what's happening. Check out the Dixie, the DXY. It is very strong at this point in time. We had a phenomenal close last week on the weekly time frame. You can trade that on the MT4 with us here at TD Markets. But we're going to wait and see what happens here today. We are consolidating. Let's watch this in the London session, how it performs, and we'll then loop back to it. You can also check out the silver price correlating with that of gold. Check it out, traders. Seems to be a beautiful chart or price pattern here. Technicals will remain the same as you are looking at setups, whether you're trading crypto, whether you're trading indices, commodities, traditional FX as we call it. But guys, it is the same. All right, price patterns, chart patterns, uh, uh, your support and resistance levels, your trend lines, your channels, they all remain the same. The difference is there is your fundies, your fundamentals. So you want to check that out, yeah? So there's a neckline right over here. It looks like we have a shoulder, head, right hand shoulder, but there could be some more development here. So let's wait and see how this pans out. Do we get a push to the upside or do we come down? We will be ready nonetheless. All right, very, very important. I see Tanya's there, Benny's there as well. All right, it's good to see a full house here this morning, guys, on this in this new month. Yeah, and just so you know, we've been saying it, right? Look at October, it's gone, done and dusted. We've been saying it. We're running through the months like a steam train. And guys, I can tell you today, November, it's not going to be any different. We're going to run through, this month as well. You guys know when it gets to the last 3 months of the year, it really goes very fast. But we are pretty excited about it because trading does not stop. We get into those charts every single day nonetheless. All right. But we are very optimistic about the start of November. It's looking good. It's good to have everybody here. Remember, guys, TD Market makes it possible for all our students and even the ones that are not here yet, keyword yet, to trade the derivative markets with us, the CFDs. You will and can pay a much cheaper price with us here at TD. So make sure you get in with us. All right. If you'd like to open up that account and explore what I've just mentioned to you, if you're not a student, you're not a member, www, that's 3ws.tdmarkets.com. Email us at care@tdmarkets.com. Remember, our system has a phenomenal support team. We call them the super support team, and they are there to assist you to make sure that you're running smoothly. You will then obviously move on to an account manager to take care of your profiling, and then you can get yourself into the academy for some education on how you can pay a much cheaper margin rate for trading gold or whether you're trading crypto. Because, guys, remember our division of TDME is available as well, where you can trade on the actual platform that we have created for all our students. It is available. So make sure you get in touch with our support team. They will assist you without a doubt. Guys, start of the new month, start of the new trading week. Ashley Reeve here. What a pleasure being with all of you guys. I'll see you guys soon. Don't forget, trading rooms this week, Tuesday, Thursday, and stay tuned for announcements on whether the NFP will be running on Friday. We know the government shutdown is still there. All right. See you guys soon. Have a blast. Ciao, ciao.